The rhythm of Manila is not always gonna be about flow. It's going to be varied, unique, outrageous. It's definitely next level, but it's not always lit. It's mind blowing. It's heartbreaking. And with the right Filipina, it can be bliss. The rhythm of Manila is not just about the metro, it's about the archipelago. Beaches, waterfalls, mountains, and jungles. It can be day to day, week to week, month to month, year to year. It is a lifestyle, and that is what we're going to look at in 2025. Welcome to Videolux Philippines.
Weekends in the province be like this.
And weekends in the metro are more like this. But not for everybody. For so many, it's a crushing economic struggle here. The trick is to find the balance.
Unbelievable. Brand new. This is a former site of House At. Some guys were talking about House At the other night. One of the oldest expat bars, like real nice UK style pub. It got closed during lockdown. They were violating lockdown rules, so they got shut down. And they're playing football in here. That's freaking awesome. So you got American football at the California Pizza Kitchen in Makati. This is new, and I would say this is epic for a poblacion. Wow. CPK, baby.
Things are often changing, but some things stay the same, like kicking off a channel member nightlife tour at the Buccaneers Bar before we head out to hit the VIP couch at a local Makati nightclub. We get that reservation set up. We got the girls ready to party. Our bros are in the house. Let's check out a night at Club Royal. The consumable fee includes all the alcohol you want to buy, and let me tell you, these tequila nights that start off with a bottle of Patron usually end up getting wild. It's like having a fixed price without a fixed menu. The sure sign of three single girls at a table, they're all drinking their own margaritas. When the night starts with a bottle of Patron tequila, you know it's going to be a little wild, but when you move on to double bottles of champagne from there, well, it's just going to get completely off the chain. But that's just kind of how we do it here in Metro Manila. You know, guys don't book channel member nightlife tours for a tame night out on the town. And believe it or not, we're just getting started. Yeah, Manila is a late night town. We usually go until way past the sun comes up.
I am in the Barangay today. I was shopping at a Palenque market for junk food that I would never eat in a million years. However, Filipinos love this stuff, and it is like Christmas, New Year's, and we go out quite often. And all the waiters, the waitresses, the guards at the establishments, everyone that takes care of us, the service crews. Well, when we roll in, like for a big night, sometimes we just bring them a bag of goodies like this. This is 3 bags plus the jeans that I bought today for 35 pesos, which is about 70 cents. 3 bags for about $8. So it's a very, very small investment. But when you roll up with a Christmas bag filled with goodies, that goes a long way, man. There's the people really at least get a sense that you appreciate them to some degree. And we do. So happy holidays from the Philippines, or Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, all that good stuff. Some nights just don't have time to deal. It's like I just can go get a whole roast chicken, and they roast it on, charcoal. It's like $5.50.
Do another quick little recipe today. This one I like to call chicken larb Chinese fried rice. So actually not a lot of fried rice, and it's not technically larb, but you'll see. And it's cheap. I got a whole chicken, right? Chop it up, kind of larb style. 1 cup of rice. This will be 4 to 6 servings, believe it or not. Hot chili sauce, the roasted red chili paste. I'll finish this dish with a touch of sesame oil, but I won't cook with it because you don't want that to, well, you don't want to cook with seed oils. Anyway, we'll toss the rice with 2 eggs, a little bit of chopped onion, tomato, red pepper, and a touch of soy sauce, and then we'll do it like lettuce wraps. And that's it. It ends up literally being about $1 a serving because the chicken only costs $5. The rice only cost 15 pesos. The lettuce was 44 pesos. The eggs are 10 pesos a pop. And this stuff ends up being about 10 pesos per dish. Probably even less. I know it's a mess. Thai chili pepper is thick, so I'm going to reduce it with some soy sauce with a touch of fish sauce to finish the chicken. We're going to give that chicken a quick stir with the soy sauce, chili paste, and fish sauce. And what's going to happen is it's going to sit in the hot pan and it'll absorb a little bit of liquid. So this isn't designed to make it a sauce. It's designed to coat the chicken, basically. I'm going to add only half the chicken to the rice, and I'm going to stir it up well and see what I got, because that could be another set of meals. The main reason why I'm not adding all the chicken to the rice is because if there's any leftovers, I don't want there to be leftover rice. There's a lot of studies out now showing about how mold can form on rice if it's left out, or if it's a day old, or even if it's refrigerated. It's really bad for your gut, your bacteria, supposedly. I mean, that's what some research has shown. So I'll save the rest of the chicken for another dish. And that's great. And literally will end up being probably 4 to 6 portions. And, well, hello there, little Miss Sleepyhead. Somebody just waking up. It's only 8 o'clock at night. Gotta go out in about 2 hours, so I'm making dinner. Yeah, right. Some Belvedere will solve that problem for you. Larb Chinese fried rice with some marinated cucumbers and lettuce wraps. That's a wrap. No pun intended.
Not all the local spots are gonna be blowing up. Sometimes we just go out to play some pool.
Rainy Manila. But we're chilling on playing pool. Oh yeah! It's 4 a.m. Closing this bar.
Yeah, some nights we really gotta take a break from the club scene, you know? It can't always just be party, banging, loud all the time. We'll hit a chill spot, sometimes a dive bar, maybe get some food. There's a lot of nice dining options in Manila.
Me and the boys rolling up fucking burgers, blowing out of lips. We're gonna hit after hours early. We want a good table. It's gonna be a good time. You guys ready to rock? Let's get it. Yeah, let's get it.
New Year's Eve in Metro Manila is historically an epic blowout party night. Chad from CB Media rolled back in from Thailand to enjoy the party. This year, though, a bit of a different vibe. There was some unprecedented, gigantic, times level, square, packed event somewhere in Manila where like 1 million people were crammed into a space the size of 3 football fields. And Manila isn't quite the type of city that can handle that. There were no grab taxis, there were no motorcycle taxis. It was impossible to get anywhere. I mean, the club wasn't even packed. Despite all that, it isn't so much whether or not it's an epic party, it's the people that you're partying with. Club Royal is a great venue. We always have a fun time partying in this place. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope you guys have a great New Year. Welcome 2025. From nature to nightlife, the rhythm of Manila is hard to describe. Remember, it's not just the metro, it's the archipelago. Rainy season, dry season, travel season, All kinds of vibes make up the flow. Let's get into the rhythm.